Hi, my name is Suzy. I was born on August 6th in the year 2000. Now I'm in my sophomore year. Well, kind of. I took a semester off this year just because it seemed kind of cool. I like making friends, I'm down to earth, and I love talking about really anything. I spend my days doing K-pop dance covers with my crew, going out food hunting in Urjudo with my foodie buds, and taking a million photos of everything for my gram. Oh, I've been into longboarding by the Han River lately. I'm not very good at it, but I'm getting there. I'll be doing a longboarding challenge on my TikTok later, so be sure to check it out. My type is ESFP, a free soul, a born social butterfly, they say. And I think it's true. I can't wait to make more friends on YouTube. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Please note that I hate mint chocolate. And just so you don't forget, my name is Suzy, Kim, obviously, and welcome to my vlog.
Game begin.